Hi everybody, this is the video for lesson 2.5 and this is the one for the purple group. So today there's two options. You can choose the purple group or the blue group to do. The purple group is a little less in depth and the blue group, it goes into a little bit more in depth. So it's up to you which you want to choose for today. If you do choose purple, this is the video for you to get started. So just like most activities, we're going to have the force and motion simulation open in another tab. And to make it easier, if you'd like, you can kind of split screen them so you can easily click back and forth between the two. To start today's, we are going to select the 2.5 Purple Explore. Come to the side, find the 2.5 Purple, and we are going to tap object A to record its initial velocity, its direction, and its speed. So we can see what direction it's going in, and its initial speed is going to be 5 centimeters per second, so you can fill those in there. We're going to then prepare a force and set up the test to fill in the table below. So it's basically just like many others we've done before, so we're going to prepare a force, exert the force, observe the object's motion, and we want to get these desired velocity changes. So for the first one, we want it to speed up to 7 centimeters per second to the right. For right now, it's going to the right at 5 centimeters per second. It's 1 kilogram. So you have to think about what is going to make it go 7. So you prepare the force. If it's going to the right already, think about which direction you want to put it in and how many clicks it's going to make it go to 7. So we'll do the first one together. I'm going to guess 2 clicks will get it to 7. I hit exert the force, analyze, and I can see here that I got it to go to 7 centimeters per second to the right. So the direction, I would put right, and the strength, if you remember from earlier activities, you can rewind it basically and find the strength was 20. So 2 clicks gives me a force strength of 20. So for each of these, you're going to try your best to get these desired velocity changes and just make sure you're paying attention to the direction that it's going. Right here, for the last one, you want to put it in the reverse direction. Once you finish this part, you're going to move on to part 2. Part 2, you are going to predict. So make a prediction here. You're going to bold one. How you do that? If you want to bold this one, highlight it, bold it. If you want to do this one, highlight it, bold it. That's how you're going to pick your answer here. Answer this question, and then your part 2 of part 2 is the test. So then we're going to complete 3 missions here. We're going to come back to the simulation. Mission 1, 2, and 3. So it'll tell you the mission here, and you can see here now that A and B, when we click run, they are different. They have different masses. So you have to keep that in mind when you're trying to complete this mission. Same thing, just as the first part, we want to prepare a force, then we want to exert the force, observe the objects. Did they reach the targets at the same time? If yes, record the force direction and force strength, and then move on to the next mission. If no, reset and try again with a different direction or strength. Once you finish these missions, you're going to answer all these questions. Okay? And I know this is a little bit of a longer assignment, so you will have 2 days to complete this. If you have any questions, please make sure you're coming to office hours to ask me so you can complete this.